Hey guys, it's Lipsticks and Kicks, and I am back with a sneaker review. Can you guys believe that I have not done a sneaker review since I think 2016 or 2017? That is sad. Okay, my channel name says it all. So we're just gonna get right into it. If you wanna know about my lip combo and anything else going on with my makeup, just comment down below, but I'll leave the lip combo in the description. And I have on a vintage Juicy Couture choker today, so just giving you bronzy nude vibes. But I have a Nike Dunk Low Disrupt. Nike Dunk Low Disrupt to show you guys, because if you are small feet gang like myself, I wear a 5 in women's and usually a 5 in kids. I could even go to a 4.5 in kids, sometimes even lower. If you guys watch my last review, which is my Kawa slide, then you will understand. And I'm surprised with the fit of them. Very rare for me. I have narrow feet, and yes, my feet are small, but I'm like, I wonder what's going on, because my big toe, it fits right there. They're quite comfortable, but I don't know whether I should return these and get a half size up. What do you guys think? Let me show you. Can you guess? Can you guess? Pause the video. I'll wait. And while you're at it, subscribe. I picked up these. Aren't they so beautiful? The other two colorways are sold out. By the time you guys see this, I don't know, this colorway might be sold out. Yes, so these are the Dunks. I actually own a couple of Dunks, okay? I'm not like these newbies out here. Just because Dunks and especially SBs have came back, everybody's on the craze, everybody's on the hunt, and I'm just like, okay, but you know, there's some of us out here who have been wearing Dunks. If you guys want to see a collection, I can do one. Most of them I have given away, but I still have a couple. But these, when I saw them, I just thought that these screamed spring, summertime, even fall. These are still gonna look dope winter, so I think I'm gonna get a good wear out of it. I would say, honestly, me, we're having small feet. I wear a 5. I would say go a half size up. I still want to test these out and wear them and see if I actually need to go a size up, because I have such small feet. If I go a size up, they might be too big, and I don't like that, and they actually look really nice on my feet now. So they do have that black sole, and then all the color blocking colors I am obsessed with. And I thought that they were different from the other two colorways of these that are available, like a hot pink and white, like a fruit punch and white kind of colorway, and then there's like a neutral colorway, which I understand because everybody's on quote unquote Travis Scott vibes, so those sold out. But I am always one to go for a different look anyway. But I just thought that these were so cute and they're so dope. Don't mind my little background setup, girl, okay? Just gotta do what you gotta do. You guys see me looking down, I'm reading to you the description from Nike. So these are inspired by the early 2000s Dunk Low. The Nike Dunk Low Disrupt adds a unique flavor to basketball fashion with its exaggerated tooling and platform midsole. Honestly, when I saw the platform, I was kind of like, I wasn't really feeling it. I didn't really like it. But Nike is coming out with a lot of just twists on classic shoes that I like. It also says the crisp leather overlays nod to the Air Force One heritage. So I do see that, like right here where that red tab is. While the exposed foam tongue and mesh detail adds flavor. So the style for these, if you would like to know, it is CK6654 colorway 004. So hopefully you can still get your hands on these. Like I said, the other two colorways are sold out. And let's read the color description. Wolf Gray, which is right here, like on the back, this back tab here. Wolf Gray, Tour Yellow, University Red, and Black. They kind of left out this green around the toe box here, but I really like these. And then the inside has that hit of blue, and then the insoles are black with the sign. So yeah, and I like how they added a navy blue lace, and it matches right here where the eyelets are. I actually really think these are gonna look dope with track pants, shorts, jeans, whether they're form-fitting or flared. So I think that these are such a dope colorway, and this is just gonna be a cute little show and tell, just to show you guys what they look like. And I feel like they're just a really nice twist and something different than what everybody's going after. To be honest, a lot of people are always asking me, do I ever cop things on sneakers? To be honest, I don't even go. I'm not saying I don't go on there. If there's a shoe that I really like, I will attempt to enter in the draw, but you guys know how that goes. Usually by the time you get to open the app just totally just shuts down and just not logs you out, but it will just time out. And it's like, I just don't see the reason why, if you're just a lover of a shoe, why you can't just buy it. I don't understand why we need to go here, go there, do all this madness, and then, you know, you already got the time and everything, and then it's just too much with sneakers. So if there's a shoe that I really like, I will try. But yes, so, and then on that tongue it has the black tab. So I really like these. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on foot, and this is just a quick little show and tell. If you would like, comment down below on my ladies if you want a styling video. I am trying to get a good setup. It's like really nice, but it's just to find the time to actually film better styling videos and have good quality. Really nice drop, and I like these because these are gonna look super fire for fall and winter, and you can still rock them in the summertime. So let me know what you guys think below. Like I said, I'm gonna try to wear them at least 2-3 times before I need to go ahead and get a size up, but I'm just thinking I should just go ahead, purchase the size 5.5 and see how those fit, and I can just return these because they go quickly, and I think that these are just a fly pair. I just can't believe I don't see any other. I haven't really been on Instagram as much lately, but can't believe I don't see any more around in this colorway too. I just think that they look so dope, and they do give me nostalgic vibes, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. But these are pretty dope. So let me know what you guys think down below. I will catch you in the next one. Check out my Kawa slide video down below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.